Proper fractions. All fractions we have discussed so far have their numerator smaller than the denominator. They are known as proper fractions. For example, 1/3, 3/4, 2/9, etc. are all proper fractions because they represent amounts that are less than the whole. The corresponding wholes are 3/3, 4/4, 9/9, etc. That is all for lesson 3.2.1. To continue this tutorial, please watch 3.2.2 Improper Fractions. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.